So Apple will unveil 4 new iPhone 14 variants this year, which will not include a mini iPhone. 2 of the iPhone 14 models will have a new front design, while the other 2 will retain the same notch that was implemented first on the iPhone X. Now, we've seen this eye-shaped cutout on rendered images and concept videos, but we still have no idea exactly how big this pill shape will be. Well, that changes today, as we have what seemingly is the first real-life look at the front panels of all the iPhone 14 models. As you can see, the iPhone 14 lineup will indeed be divided into 2 standards and 2 Pro versions with identical screen sizes, 6.1 inches and 6.7 inches, apart from the eye-shaped cutout. The Pro variants will also have slimmer bezels, and not to forget, they also have a smaller cutout for the receiver. Although at first glance it would seem the eye-shaped cutout would mark a significant change in the front design of the new iPhone, but it doesn't look like you'll be gaining much in the way of usable space. In fact, the size of the cutout suggests the iPhone 14 Pro display is not so much an exciting technological advancement as an aesthetic tweak of the current design. It actually feels like Apple has decided to display Face ID components and the front-facing camera as separate cutouts rather than a unified notch, and called it a day. Other updates include 120Hz display only on the Pro variants, which means 60Hz for the standard of 48MP main camera, but again only on the Pro variants. The regular 14 will get the same 12MP sensors. Apple has still not included a periscope zoom camera, which has now become a staple in Android flagships. But that will happen next year, as Apple analyst Jeff Pu claims that the iPhone 15 Pro models will feature a periscope lens with a 5x optical zoom. Anyway, the selfie camera of the iPhone 14 will get autofocus and a bigger aperture for better natural bokeh. Also, only the Pro variants will get a new A16 Bionic chip. The standard iPhone 14 and Max will get a year-old A15 chip found on the iPhone 13. It will be interesting to see how people react to this. If they don't care, then expect Android companies to shamelessly follow suit. The iPhone 14 is also expected to get a satellite connectivity option, as per Mark Gurman from Bloomberg. The iPhone 14 will come with an emergency message via contacts option that will let users share a short message when there is no cellular service available, which will surely come in handy, and I hope more companies make this option available. Of course, for all the latest updates on the iPhone 14, be sure to subscribe. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.